Surplus Marketplace is proud to be able to offer such a monumental installation as Eric Orr's Three Voices because it is a piece of history. He was a pioneering artist in the California light and space movement and was known for incorporation of elemental materials like water, fire, and stone-crafted immersive environments. Orr's fountain sculptures were specifically designed to connect viewers with their spiritual nature. This large-scale work was originally installed at the M.D. Anderson Cancer Center, where it helped create a calming and restorative presence for patients and their families over the years. While smaller Eric Orr bronze fountains and water pieces occasionally surface at auction, major architectural fountains of this size by the artist rarely come available at public auction. In 2023, his painting titled The Other Side of Red No. 5 set an auction record at $30,000. For that reason, his works are highly desired by galleries and museum curators specializing in this specific 20th century aesthetic. For those who appreciate his elemental philosophy and possess the spatial capacity for large outdoor work, this piece is perfect. We anticipate much interest by specialty collectors as well as institutional healthcare art programs, speculators, and dedicated sculpture brokers. This auction will be running through April 8th, 2026. To see more details or place a bid on this unique lot, head over to surplusmarketplace.com or contact a Surplus Marketplace auction representative.